now, gotta play with skills. Hit that little trickle pit bull from the bottom with the boys playing skills. Encouraging all the freaks to get out and get freaking. I'm 100% free, just looking for a freak that can get with me. Get freaking.
One on one, we'll be having some fun in my bedroom all day and all of the night. You and you can bring your whole crew to my bedroom all day and all of the night. You left your man at home.
Get freaking.
But you shot and no control.
Get freaking.
If you got your favorite song on,
Get freaking.
we gon' party till the morning.
You don't give a damn that your man's in love with you. You be thinking about me when he fucking you. I got plans if it lands at the barbecue, so just lose your dude so we can rendezvous. Come on, little mama, let me see what you got. Turn around, baby, let me hit the spot. Never lick the spot, but I'ma make you high. Go ahead and take it off, you might sweat a lot. All I need is a couple of minutes, but you ain't gon' trip that I'm already finished. Yes, I'm ready, get all up in it. Hit it real steady till I'm almost finished. Hit back from the back, you can feel it in the middle. Bring it back, make it clap, might slap a little. We could do it one-on-one, little privacy, but it's gotta be my way, girl, promise me. Face down, ass up, that's the way I like to fuck. We don't need no room, we can take it to the truck. I guarantee sweet dreams if you fuck with me. Leave your man, come with me so we can
Get freaking.
One on one, we'll be having some fun in my bedroom all day and all of the night. You and you can bring your whole crew to my bedroom all day and all of the night. You left your man at home.
Get freaking.
But you shot and no control.
Get freaking.
If you got your favorite song on,
Get freaking.
we gon' party till the morning.
Get freaking.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Leave your man and come with me. It's whatever you wanna do. Hit it from the back till we both get through. Give it all you got. Go to the room, go to the car. I don't give a fuck, I'm a superstar. I still go hard, never do wrong. Come to the bar, the Patron's on me. After the club, we can go to my suite. One-on-one, we can have some fun. Bring a friend, twice the fun. I bring my friends, you bring your friends. We can be friends. Hey, I bring super skills, bold, robust, and sang.